so we can move. Okay. New thing. It is also definite integral, lesson number 4, but it is about the upper and lower limits. The upper and lower limits. And this is really important. It's more important than the comparison theorem, the one that we just finished. This is more important. Why? Because it is frequently in the exams. Okay, let's just explain it. It says here, if the function is bounded between two numbers, L and K. F of x is less than L, more than K. Of course, for every x belongs to A and B. That means the integration of the function, the integration is not between L and K only. And this is the difference between this and that. The function is, the integration of the function is bounded or is limited between L multiplied by B minus A and K B minus A. Okay? What do I call this part? I call it the upper limit. The upper limit equals L times B minus A, while the lower limit is K. This part is the lower limit. It is K multiplied by B minus A. How will the question come? It used to come, find the upper limit and the lower limit for each of the following integrals. But by now, we will not have that type of questions because there is no working out. We will have only true or false or choose the correct answer. So, the question might say, the upper limit for this integration is blah, 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 something like that. See how will I find the lower limit and upper limit for, what will I do? I will start by saying x is less than or equal 3, more than or equal 1. Now I will try to build up the function. I will say multiply by 2, right? When I multiply by 2, it's going to be 2x. 1 by 2 is 2. And 3 by 2 is 6. Okay? Now, I will say add 3 for all the sides. So 2x plus 3 is more than or equal 5, because 2 plus 3 is 5. And here is 11. So, as you can see, the L, this is L, and this is K. So, the integration for from 1 to
It's not 11.
I'm sorry, it is 9. You're right. I'm so sorry. I'm so excited. I'm sorry. This is 9. That's right. So the L is 9 and the K is 5. That means integration from 1 to 3 for 2x plus 3 dx is bounded or limited between 9 multiplied by 3 minus 1 and 5 multiplied by 3 minus 1. Okay, 9 multiplied by 2 is 18, and the integration from 1 to 3, 2x plus 3 dx bigger than or equal 5 multiplied by 2 is 10. So As you can see from here, okay, this is the upper limit. The upper limit is 18, and the lower limit is 10. And I think that is clear. It is clear, right? Wasn't that clear?
Yes. Yes.
Okay, thank you. Okay, let's just move to the next function. You can build it. You can build it. You can start with x. I will start it, then you can complete it. Okay. I will say x bigger than, less than or equal 5, bigger than or equal 2. I will firstly square it. So it's going to be x squared 25 and here 4. Now multiply by 2, right? We will multiply it by 2. So it's going to be 2x squared. This will be 8 because it's 4 by 2. And this will be 50 because it's 25 by 2. Now add 7 to every side. Okay? So it's going to be 2x squared plus 7 is plus 7. This will be 15. And this will be 57. Then you can take the root for all the sides. So root 2x squared